Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Arise, O compatriots, follow me.
Good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. I'm pleased to inform you that before Council started today, I had the honor of making a presentation to Mr. President. At the 12th National Council on Industry, Trade and Investment, held in December 2020, the Model School Training Center, which is part of the Industrial Training Fund, Industrial Training Fund being an agency under my Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment, presented and launched a first indigenous mobile phone. So I had the honor and privilege of presenting a sample of the phone to Mr. President today at the FEC meeting. So this is the phone. This is a sample of the phone that was presented, and I have brought it here just to show it to you so that you see what we have produced as a made in Nigeria mobile phone. Okay. So it was made by the Model Skills Training Center of the Industrial Training Fund. Thank you very much. I say it's called Honor, and it's branded Made in Nigeria by ITF Mobile. I'm not aware of that. This was brought to my attention by my officials in the Industrial Training Fund, and they have told me that it is the first indigenous mobile phone manufactured in Nigeria. Thank you. Like I said, I'm not aware of it. I'm aware of this one. This is the one that has been brought to my attention. I beg your pardon? They're trying to mass produce it. They're trying to mass produce it. I beg your pardon? Well, like with every other mobile phone, it is an obstacle. It's no different from any other mobile phone. This is the beginning. This is the first one that they have made. I'm sure they will go on to try to see what they can do with regards to charging without having to use conventional power sources. I'm not aware of the cost at this point in time. Like I said, these are samples. The Ghana trip? The Ghana trip was successful. We'll be coming back very, very shortly to give you a comprehensive report of the outcome of that trip. But I can tell you for now that it was successful, and we just want to sign off on what we agreed. Once we have signed off and briefed Mr. President, I'll come back here and give you a comprehensive report on the outcome.